So I want to do some more editing. You notice how we can change the colors, etc. But I'm going to go back to my slide and edit my master. And remember, if I want to make changes to all my slides, I click here. If I want to change individual slides, I click there. So if I wanted to change the background of this slide right here, I would just click on this one. But let's go ahead and change it for all of my slides. So I'm going to go ahead and click there. And I also can move these placeholders around if I want to. I can change the colors of each of these little levels. Okay, so that's good enough for there. And then I can also go ahead and change the background. So if I want to do that, I click on the master again and I hit background. Now I can choose a color from my background or I can choose an image. And since I have my rocks, I'll go ahead and upload them. And then I've got a background on all of my masters, on all of my slides. So I'm going to get out of that. So there's my title slide. I'm going to go ahead and add one of these slides here. And you'll be able to see here that if I go ahead and put my bullets in here, and I just do my bullets, you can see the different colors that I chose. And I can have all of those edited. Now, the next thing that you can do is, let's say you have another slideshow that you've created. So this is one that I created for a class, and I want to use the theme that I just created. So I have all those masters. The theme is not showing up here. But what I can do is I can come here to theme, and I can come down here to import theme, and then I can choose the one that I want, and it's going to be right there. I'm going to say select, and there's the theme. Select that and import the theme, and then my old slideshow now has my new theme to it. So those are some wonderful things that you can do. You can also go ahead and edit the master the way you want, so you can have your slides for your students and have the kinds of slides that you want. You don't have to fill out the information, but they would have the choice of, or they would have to put in the information that you wanted. So for example, instead of having a name here, I could say put your information here, okay, on their topic or whatever, and then they would be able to do that. So it's a really handy tool to learn how to do the master slides and go ahead and change the presentation the way you want. So there's not as many choices as PowerPoint. However, if you upload a PowerPoint presentation into your Google slideshow and make it a Google slide, you would have that theme to also add into any of your other slideshows.